Imagine this. You're cruising along the Italian coastline, the windows down, the salty breeze mixing with the aroma of fresh espresso. The road stretches endlessly, and behind you, instead of a cramped suitcase and hotel booking worries, you have your own private home on wheels. A kitchen, a living room, cozy beds, even your own shower, all traveling with you wherever you go. That's the freedom the Rimor Seal 5 gives you. A luxury motorhome designed not just for travel, but for living. For families, couples, or solo adventurers who believe the journey should be just as extraordinary as the destination. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting motorhomes in its class, the Rimor Seal 5. And by the end of this video, you'll know why it has become the dream motorhome for so many travelers across Europe.
At first glance, the Rimor Seal 5 looks bold and purposeful. Built on the reliable Ford Transit chassis, it carries the DNA of practicality and strength. The cab-over design immediately stands out, giving it a commanding presence on the road while also housing one of its most loved features, that spacious overcab bed. The clean white body, accented with sharp modern graphics, reflects Rimor's blend of Italian style and European practicality. The large windows invite natural light inside, while the side awning option instantly transforms this motorhome into a comfortable outdoor lounge. And if you're wondering about size, it's big enough to carry everything you need for a road adventure, yet compact enough to still be manageable for first-time motorhome owners.
Step inside, and this is where the Seal 5 really surprises. The interior feels bright, open, and homely. Rimor has worked hard to make sure the Seal 5 feels like a true living space, not just a vehicle. At the heart of the motorhome, you'll find a well-designed dinette area. The seats are soft, upholstered in durable fabrics, and the table is perfectly sized for family meals, board games, or even just morning coffee while watching the sunrise through the panoramic windows. What's really impressive is the clever use of space. Overhead storage lockers surround the lounge, giving you plenty of room for clothes, books, and gear, all neatly tucked away. Move a little further, and you'll step into the fully equipped kitchen. For many motorhome lovers, cooking on the road is where the magic happens, and Rimor delivers here. You'll get a spacious countertop, a 2 or 3 burner gas hob depending on configuration, a stainless steel sink, and a surprisingly generous fridge with freezer. Imagine this: fresh pasta bubbling on the stove, a bottle of chilled sparkling water from the fridge, and an open window letting in the mountain air while you cook. That's the kind of travel lifestyle Rimor has built this motorhome for. Now let's talk about where you'll rest after a long day of exploring. The Seal 5 offers a range of sleeping spaces, making it ideal for families or groups. The iconic overcab bed is not only spacious, but also incredibly cozy, almost like a private nest above the road. It's large enough to comfortably fit 2 adults. In the rear, you'll typically find bunk beds, which are perfect for kids or guests. These beds are not an afterthought. They're properly sized, with good mattresses, reading lights, and privacy curtains. And if you need even more space, the dinette can easily convert into an additional bed. In total, the Rimor Seal 5 can sleep up to 6 people, making it one of the most versatile, family-friendly motorhomes in its class. Of course, no modern motorhome would be complete without its own bathroom. The Seal 5 comes with a well-planned bathroom that includes a cassette toilet, a wash basin with storage, and a separate shower area. It's compact, but it doesn't feel cramped, which is key when you're living on the road for days or even weeks at a time. This practicality extends to the entire design of the Seal 5. Rimor has thought of details like heating, insulation, LED lighting, and plenty of power sockets for charging devices. It's not just a holiday van. It's a mobile home that works in all seasons. Now, let's touch on storage, something many RV owners worry about. The Seal 5 impresses here as well. From underbed storage to exterior lockers, you'll find there's a place for everything. Camping chairs, bikes, luggage, sports gear, even groceries for a week-long trip. And because it's built on the Ford Transit, you get reliable driving performance combined with good fuel efficiency for its size. That means longer trips, fewer worries, and more money left for experiences. Speaking of driving, let's not forget the front cabin. The Ford Transit base gives you a smooth and confident ride, even on winding mountain roads. Power steering, modern safety features, and a comfortable driving position make long journeys far less tiring. And yes, while it's larger than a standard car, once you get used to it, you'll find the Rimor Seal 5 surprisingly easy to maneuver. Many owners say it feels natural after just a few drives. So, how does the Seal 5 stand out from other motorhomes in this category? First, value for money. Compared to German or French rivals, Rimor offers a generous package of features at a price that makes it very competitive. Second, versatility. With 6 berths, a fully functional kitchen, and strong storage, it's equally suited for family holidays or long-term adventures. And third, the Italian design touch. Rimor has managed to combine functionality with warmth, so instead of feeling like a cold caravan, the Seal 5 feels like a moving holiday home. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you had the keys to the Rimor Seal 5, where would your first trip be? Would you head to the mountains, the coast, or maybe cross into another country? Drop your dream destination in the comments. I'll be reading them all. To wrap it up, the Rimor Seal 5 isn't just a motorhome. It's a passport to freedom, comfort, and adventure. A chance to live life on your own terms, waking up every morning to a new view, a new horizon, and new memories. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or setting out solo, the Seal 5 gives you everything you need without sacrificing comfort or style. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next motorhome review. And remember, the road is waiting, and so is your next adventure.